Good morning, breakfast lovers. Did you know your first meal of the day sets the tone for everything that follows in your day? Skip the sugar bomb cereals and burnt toast. I've got some delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas that will make your mornings and your taste buds sing with joy. Stay with me until the end because I'll share an important secret to supercharging your mornings. Now let's dive in and get started. Want a breakfast that's quick, easy, and won't leave you feeling like you've swallowed a concrete block by midday? Then listen up. We're talking smoothies, but not those sugary monstrosities you find at some chain cafes. We're going for flavor and nutrition, not a sugar rush that'll have you crashing harder than my expectations for a first-year apprentice. First, grab a handful of spinach. Don't give me that face, you won't even taste it. Next, chuck in some frozen berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, whatever you've got. A banana adds some sweetness and creaminess, and then top it off with almond milk. You can use regular milk if you must, but almond milk is lighter and won't weigh you down. Now, if you're serious about making this a breakfast that'll fuel your day, add a scoop of protein powder, whey soy, whatever you fancy. It'll keep you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime, so you don't end up snacking on crisps and chocolate like a child. Just chuck everything into a blender, blitz it until it's smooth, and you're good to go. You can even pour it into a travel cup if you're running late. A dollop of Greek yogurt adds protein and tanginess, or you could try a spoonful of nut butter for some healthy fats. The point is, smoothies are a blank canvas for your breakfast creativity. So get in the kitchen and start experimenting. And if you come up with any winning combinations, be sure to share them in the comments below. Avocado toast. It's the breakfast darling of the Instagram generation, but let's be honest, it can be a bit, well, bland. But fear not, because I'm going to show you how to take your avocado toast from basic to bloody brilliant. First, the bread. None of that sugary white bread here, you hear me? We're going for whole grain sourdough, something with a bit of texture and flavor. Toast it until it's golden brown and crispy, but not burnt for God's sake. The perfect toast is the foundation of a great avocado toast. Now for the star of the show, the avocado. We want a ripe, creamy avocado that practically melts in your mouth. The riper, the better. Scoop it out of the skin, give it a good mash with a fork, and season it generously with salt and pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. It brings out the avocado's natural flavor. Spread the avocado mixture onto your toast, making sure to get it right to the edges. Every bite should have that creamy goodness. Now here's where we elevate this dish from basic to brilliant. Crack an egg directly onto the avocado. The egg adds a rich, velvety texture that complements the avocado perfectly. The runny yolk will mix with the creamy avocado, creating a flavor sensation that will blow your bloody mind. It's like a match made in breakfast heaven. If you're feeling really adventurous, you can add a sprinkle of chili flakes for a bit of heat, or even a drizzle of honey for a touch of sweetness. These little additions can take your toast to the next level. Yes, honey on avocado toast. Trust me, it works. The sweetness of the honey balances the richness of the avocado and egg. If you're one of those people who are scared of a little runny yolk, you can always fry the egg separately and place it on top of the avocado. This way, you still get that delicious egg flavor without the mess. So there you have it. Avocado toast, Ramsay style. It's not just a meal, it's an experience. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's sure to impress even the most discerning breakfast critic. Whether you're making it for yourself or serving it to guests, this avocado toast is a surefire hit. Overnight oats. They sound like something you'd find at the back of your granny's pantry, right? But don't let the name fool you. But trust me on this one, overnight oats are a breakfast game changer. They are not only nutritious, but also incredibly delicious. They're quick, easy, and incredibly versatile. You can customize them to suit your taste and dietary preferences. Plus, you can make them ahead of time, which is perfect for those mornings when you're short on time and patience. Imagine waking up to a ready-made breakfast that requires no effort at all. The basic recipe is simple: oats, milk, and your choice of toppings. It's a blank canvas waiting for your creativity. For the oats, I recommend using rolled oats, as they'll give you the best texture. They absorb the liquid well and maintain a pleasant chewiness. Quick cooking oats will work in a pinch, but they tend to get a bit mushy. If you prefer a smoother texture, they might be an option. For the milk, you can use whatever you like. The choice of milk can add a unique flavor to your oats. Cow's milk, almond milk, soy milk, even coconut milk all work well. Each type of milk brings its own distinct taste and nutritional benefits. Just make sure you use enough to cover the oats, otherwise you'll end up with a dry, crumbly mess. The oats need to soak up the liquid to become soft and creamy. Now for the fun part, the toppings. This is where you can really get creative and make your oats exciting. This is where you can let your imagination run wild. Think of it as an opportunity to experiment with different flavors and textures. Fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, nut butter, spices, you name it, you can add it to your overnight oats. The possibilities are endless. One of my favorite combinations is peanut butter and banana. It's a classic for a reason. The creamy peanut butter pairs perfectly with the sweet banana. Simply stir a spoonful of peanut butter into your oats, along with a sliced banana, and you're good to go. It's a simple yet satisfying combination. Another great option is berries and yogurt. This combination is not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and protein. Mix some fresh or frozen berries into your oats, along with a dollop of Greek yogurt for a protein boost. The tartness of the yogurt complements the sweetness of the berries perfectly. The best thing about overnight oats is that you can make them ahead of time and store them in the fridge for up to 5 days. This makes them an ideal option for meal prepping. So if you know you've got a busy week ahead, whip up a batch on Sunday night and you'll have breakfast ready to go all week long. Get creative and enjoy. You can even prepare different flavors for each day to keep things interesting. Right, you lot, listen up! We're talking eggs now, the breakfast of champions. Packed with protein and more versatile than a bloody Swiss Army knife, eggs are the perfect way to start your day. And no, I'm not talking about those rubbery scrambled eggs you get in a greasy spoon cafe. I'm talking about eggs cooked to perfection, with fluffy whites and rich golden yolks. First things first, let's talk about cooking methods. You can fry them, scramble them, poach them, boil them, even bake them. The possibilities are endless. But for a truly spectacular breakfast, I recommend either frying or scrambling your eggs. Frying an egg is an art form, but don't worry, it's not as difficult as it looks. Heat a knob of butter in a non-stick pan over a medium heat. Once the butter is melted and foaming, crack your egg directly into the pan. Season with salt and pepper, then lower the heat and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, or until the white is set and the yolk is still runny. If you're feeling lazy, you can always scramble your eggs. Simply whisk together 2 to 3 eggs with a splash of milk or cream. Season with salt and pepper, then cook in a hot pan with a little butter, stirring constantly until they're cooked to your liking. Eggs are a blank canvas, so you can add whatever you like to them. For a classic breakfast, try adding some chopped bacon or sausage to your scrambled eggs. Or, for a vegetarian option, sauté some mushrooms, onions and spinach. Then stir them into your eggs just before serving. If you're feeling really decadent, you can even add some cheese to your eggs. Cheddar, Gruyere, goat cheese, all work beautifully. And for a truly impressive breakfast, try making an omelette. Omelets are not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. You can fill them with a variety of ingredients to suit your taste. Think ham, cheese, bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, or even some fresh herbs. The combinations are endless and can cater to any palate. Serve your omelette with a side of toast or a fresh salad, and you've got a meal that's not only nutritious, but also visually appealing. So, whether you prefer your eggs fried, scrambled, or in an omelette, remember that they are a powerhouse of nutrition and flavor. Enjoy your protein-packed breakfast and start your day off right. Pancakes. The mere mention of the word conjures up images of lazy Sunday mornings, fluffy stacks of golden goodness, and rivers of sticky syrup. But pancakes don't have to be a once-in-a-while treat. With a few simple swaps, you can enjoy pancakes any day of the week without sacrificing your health goals. Now, I know what you're thinking. Healthy pancakes? That's like saying you're going to teach a donkey to sing opera. But trust me on this one. These pancakes are so good, you won't even miss the sugar-laden processed crap you're used to. The key to making healthy pancakes is to use whole wheat flour instead of white flour. Whole wheat flour is packed with fiber, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. It also has a slightly nutty flavor that complements the other ingredients perfectly. Next, ditch the refined sugar and use mashed bananas instead. Bananas add natural sweetness and moisture to the pancakes, and they're also a good source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Once you've got your batter sorted, it's time to cook the pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or frying pan over a medium heat. Pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot griddle for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden brown and cooked through. Now for the fun part, the toppings. Get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations. Fresh berries and Greek yogurt are a classic for a reason. The berries add sweetness and antioxidants, while the yogurt provides protein and calcium. Are you still with me? I've got one final tip that will tie all of this together and help you conquer your mornings. Plus, I'd love to hear your 3 main fitness goals in the comments. Let's inspire each other. Now that your breakfast game is leveled up, your mornings will never be the same. Whether it's a smoothie, toast, oats, or pancakes, there's no excuse for boring breakfasts anymore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, please click the links below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Looking to dive deeper into your wellness journey? Check out our curated playlist for more valuable tips and insights. Click the link below to watch more videos and stay on track with pure health.